day to one all present here. I, Yashwant of Class 6E, is much privileged to present my water cycle project. Behold, all of you. This is my project of water cycle. And now, let's see a brief about my project. This is the land area and these are the grasses, which doesn't look like grasses anyway. And this is the water bodies, and as you can see, this is the sun, the clouds and a tree. Now let's explain the process of water cycle to all of you. The heat of the sun, the rays of the sun hit these water bodies. So when these rays hit the water bodies get heated, and when they get heated and when the heat goes above 100 degrees, the water gets evaporated slowly. And when they get evaporated, when they started flying in the air, and when they fly or when they move up into the air, they started to cool down. So as they cool down, they form as clouds. And after the clouds are formed, like that, many water droplets come and join the clouds, as heating is a continuous process. So after that, the cloud, when it goes over its weight, it turns into grey. After it turns grey in color, it cannot hold any more water droplets. So the cloud gives out a few amount of water droplets as rain. So this is the process of water cycle. And when these water droplets are given out as rain, it joins as groundwater inside this as a water body, or it joins the water bodies. So evaporation and then condensation, and then that's the runoff. The water droplets run off into the water body or the land areas. If it goes into the land area, it will be stored as groundwater, and if it goes into the water body, it will be water of that particular water body. Thank you.